Wait, are you in need of bundle? Then this is the right video for you. I'm going to teach you how to get free MTN data bundle. Also, I'll be teaching you how to get free MTN airtime to make calls day in, day out. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. To start with, just take your phone and move to the call dialer and dial star 550 hash. Star 550 hash. After that, this prompt will pop up. Welcome to MTN office. Data bundles, etc. Move on to 7, which states MTN rewards. 7, MTN rewards. Then we press the send. As you can see, welcome to MTN rewards. Redeem points when you use your number. Allow up to 48 hours for your points to be credited. You just tap on the 99. So this place, after reading, just input in 99 and send it. After that, just move to redeem points. Redeem points, that's the 2. Then you press the send. Alright, so here if you need airtime, you just press the 1. If you need data bundle, you just press the 2. If you need other rewards, you just press the 3. 4 is view voucher code and 0 is back. So right now I need data bundle, I don't need airtime. So I'll just press on the 2 and send. After that, as you can see, we have daily pack, weekly pack and monthly pack. I'll move to the daily pack, which is the 1, and I'll send it. Alright, after that, these are the packs. We have 1000 PTS is 20 megabyte for 1 day, 2000 50 megabyte, 4000 120 megabyte. So you just select the pack that you want. If you want the 1000 PTS, you select option 1. If you want the 2000 PTS, you select the option 2. If you want the 4000 PTS, you select the option 3. So assuming I want the option 3, which is the 4000 PTS, so I'll press on the 3 and then I'll press on the 3 and click on the send. As you can see, it will prompt you, please confirm redemption of 4000 PTS for daily pack of 120 megabytes. I'll just press the 1 to confirm. 1, confirm. Alright, as you can see, a message will pop up. Yellow, your request for redemption is being processed. You will receive a notification soon. So please, this is how to receive free MTN data bundle and also free airtime from MTN. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. The name of my YouTube channel is Nice Man Tech. Thank you for your time. Catch up with our next video.